Welcome to Integrate with AWS, which allows you to link and track your AWS resources right from your DevOps workflows in Jira. To do that, you need to connect an AWS environment. That can be done via CloudFormation. I'm not going to show that here. The app also shares these environments between with its Symplic app in Compass and soon also Confluence and Bitbucket, so you only have to do that once. Once connected, you want to configure a project, and we have a few steps to go through here. The app is built atop the AWS Resource Explorer, which is a service that indexes all your resources across your entire organization. I have prepared a couple of views to work with here for my use case. Just going to pick one and copy the ARN into the configuration. That's all there is to it, basically. You can do more, like configuring another view, a different view for your issues sidebar, which I'll show you in a bit, but this is enough to get started. Once connected, you can now view these resources in your project sidebar right along through your workflows. As you can see, we have about 440 resources across the 3D environments for this app, and that's a bit too many to work with, so I'm going to limit that to our development environment. Now that's better, but still too many, and actually I only want to use the step function state machines, so I can further filter that down. That's better. Now I have only 10, and I wanted to look at this particular state machine here. I can click through to the AWS Management Console for inspection. It has been executed quite a bit during this demo, and we also provide additional links where applicable. For example, you can audit the resources timeline right in AWS config, and just to make it easier to see what changed. And for example, here we have applied a tag recently. You can also link your resources to your Jira issues. And that works exactly like you're used to from your development workflows with pull requests and commits. If you tag the resources with the issue key during provisioning, for example, then they will show up right here in the sidebar where you need them. For example, this CloudFormation stack I have provisioned for the demo at hand. And I can now click through right to Sydney and look at it, and I can show you that we use this tagging scheme, which is of course customizable, so you can use your own to make the connection to the issue. This concludes the demo. Thanks for watching.